we also have these drinks. Classical raspberry rose. I wanna try this one. Raspberry rose. 245. Ang mahal naman ito. Isang can lang yun. Hi guys, so good morning. It is Thursday, May 30. It's 10:47 a.m. and Stan and I will be going to UP Town Center sa may Katipunan ngayon kasi may healthy options. Ayun, merong magpapa-haircut siya, tapos may bibilin kami sa healthy options. So, actually, kami, kung sa podium kami pupunta kasi may healthy options din doon. Pero I think, UP Town Center is nearer dito sa place namin. So, doon kami ngayon pupunta. So, we'll take you guys to our destinations today. So, naiwan si Dior ulit sa bahay. So, kailangan namin makauwi ng maaga. Si Daddy ay nasa office ngayon. So, tomorrow pa siya work from home. Office yung kanyang schedule ngayon. Okay, so hopefully ay hindi traffic ngayon. I'm bringing my car, by the way. Okay, let's go, guys. Just like when we go to school, mag-ihahatid or susunduin si Stan. So, kakatipunan pa rin. Yun pa rin ang daan natin. Pina-check ko kay Stan kanina yung si Bianca. Ay, si Bianca, si Pia. Yung what do you call that? Yung distance from here to podium versus from here to UP Town. So sabi ni Stan, it's just a 5-minute difference. No, there's just a 5-minute difference yung travel papunta sa sa UP Town. Earlier ng 5 minutes pag sa UP Town. So okay na din. Kasi ang worry ko lang pag sa Ortigas ay alam naman natin lahat kung gaano ka-traffic sa Ortigas. Any day yan. Anytime, any day. Hi guys, so nasa Katipunan na tayo. So on my right is Stan School. So medyo traffic ngayon, hindi kasi kami dumadaan dito ng ganitong time. I mean dito sa way na to, papuntang UP Town. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta dito ng ganitong time for ano lang, going to UP Town. So first time ko. Hindi ko alam kung lagi ng ganito. Although ano naman, traffic light naman kasi. So we'll see. And baka ano din natin yung picture ni Stan dyan sa electronic billboard ng Ateneo. Kasi na post siya dyan for their Gizmo's global competition. So they won gold in that competition. So nakita na namin yon previously. Last week yata, pinost na dyan sa electronic billboard ng Ateneo. So, ewan ko lang kung until now. So, let's see kung meron pa. May jet ski sila. There you are, Stan! Wow! Hi, Stan! There you go, Stan! Wow! Wow, proud. Oh, bye, Mom. Just gonna see it. Unfortunately, guys, hindi natin nakita ulit yung video ni Stan sa e-billboard. Pero meron naman akong copy. Baka i-attach ko na lang dito sa video. Kasi last week nakita na namin when we were on our way to Dior's grooming salon. So nakita namin last week. So nandito na tayo entering UP Town. Okay, first time ko dito guys na ako yung magda-drive. First time ko pumunta dito with Stan, nang kaming dalawa lang.
Yep.
Usually kasi pag ako lang mag-isa or si Stan along Ortigas or along Marcos Highway, Imelda Avenue. Yan, pero dito ngayon pa lang na ako yung magdadrive and with Stan lang. Pero pumunta na kami dito with Dad, my husband. Yan. Pero hindi lagi, ewan ko ba kasi may mas malapit pa kasi na mall.
So not.
But this one kasi is near, almost beside my son's school. Kaya, provide na ba ng parking dito? Not yet, no?
Yeah.
Doon
wait.
pa pala. Oo, doon pa magbabayan.
I forgot. So just get a ticket or something. Forgot.
I don't want to park there. Ayoko dyan sa parang mga ano na yan, steel na yan. But it's already 11:24 and I know marami ng mga nakapark dito sa baba. Kasi magla-lunch or whatever. Okay, hopefully may makita kami dito sa baba. Ayoko talaga dun sa taas. Why? Una, ayoko makita. Hoping. Last time parang doon tayo sa dulo ng Kapag Park, di ba?
Yes.
Si Dan yung kasama natin. Okay, so we're parked na dito sa may likod na ng parking. So let's go. Okay, so we're walking na guys from the parking slot going inside the mall. Going to that entrance? Is that an entrance?
Yeah.
Okay. Pedestrian tayo. Hi guys, so nandito kami sa Manhan. So kakain daw muna kami, sabi ni Stan. Kain muna tayo, no? Bago tayo mag healthy options and magpa-haircut. So let's see.
One order of spicy spare ribs.
Yeah.
And then sweet and sour pork rice. And then one order of xiaolongbao, please. And one sago gulaman. And one fresh fruit.
Anong fruit po yun?
Shake or watermelon.
Watermelon na lang.
Repeat order po, sir, ma'am. Isang spicy spare ribs rice, isang sweet and sour pork rice, isang xiaolongbao, isang sago gulaman, isang watermelon shake.
Yeah.
Thank you po. 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay,
po, sir.
thank you. Are you okay with that? Because I'm thinking kasi sa iba tayo bumili ng dessert. I saw something dyan. Parang red mango ba yun? Yogurt.
It was beside me.
Yeah, where I bought the book.
Yeah.
So, you're gonna read your new book?
Yeah.
When?
If I'm gonna read it,
Yeah, when are you gonna read it?
I don't know yet. Because I have a pile of books to read in my e-reader.
All from... Who's that? Who's that writer? Frida McFadden?
Frida? No, not anymore.
I don't
Oh, no, wait lang. I think I'm reading her. Yeah. One by one.
One by one. So, you have a separate file in your Kindle? Like Kobo
Yeah,
Libro?
I have different sets of books in my Kindle and different sets of books in my Kobo Libro too. And I think I only have like 2 books now from Cecilia A. Romero. And this one I don't have this one. I have from Cecilia A. Kasi her books talaga in Kindle are really expensive.
Oh, really?
Parang $11.99 yun.
$11.99.
And it's not free even if you have a subscription.
Oh, that's around 550 to 6... Around 550
Oh, so this is way,
550 to 600.
this is way cheaper.
So here's my order. Spicy, what's this again? I forgot. Spicy spare ribs. No. And then Stan's is, what's
Sweet
that?
and sour
Sweet
pork.
and sour pork. Tapos I have my watermelon shake. Tapos Stan's drink is
Sago gulaman.
sago gulaman. Bon appetit. And your favorite xiaolongbao. Huh? Is it still your favorite?
Favorite Chinese food.
Really? Then that's all yours. How was it? So, dito na kami ngayon sa healthy options. So, we're already here in healthy options. Chips na healthy chips na hindi ka guilty when you eat them. Wanna try it? I think Dad would like to try that one. Sige, go. What flavor is that? It's sesame.
Or this one.
Roasted sesame. Lightly salted. I don't know. Just one flavor. Roasted seaweed. Okay.
We're just trying. So
Yeah.
These potatoes.
Sour cream.
You wanna try?
Up to you.
It's a bit sweet.
Kaya nga trial eh. I want to try more. Cracklings.
Pork rice.
325. Mahal. What's this? Bell Pops. Ano yun? Popcorn? Popcorn. I think that's popcorn. You don't like? Pretzels. Reminds me of Marks and Spencer.
Is that digestive?
Yeah. Even the box.
You've already tried that.
Which one?
You already tried something.
I haven't. How about this one? Double chocolate? Or chocolate chip hazelnuts? I don't know. This one na lang. Granola.
Pretzels.
I don't like. I don't want to try. Water crackers. Sounds new to me.
Yeah,
Water crackers, yeah. Rice thins.
Oh yeah, I've heard of that before.
Okay. This one. How about this?
Each white cheddar potato crisps.
310. Ang mahal. Anak. Ayoko niyan. Ang mahal. Pag hindi pa natin sure yung ano. No, pag hindi pa natin alam yung ano niya, small lang muna para hindi masayang. Buffalo ranch flavor. Parang potato chips lahat, ano? We also have these drinks. Classical raspberry rose. I wanna try this one. Raspberry rose. 245? Ang mahal naman ito. Isang can lang yun.
Oh, I saw this in a documentary before.
Oh, what is that? That's soda. Watermelon. Culture pop. Soda. Watermelon and lime. Grabe namang mahal ng ano na yan. 245 this one, oh. I wanna try pa naman. This one has energy.
It's 145. Oh, because it's an energy drink.
And then this one, Zevia Organic Tea, Sweet and Black Tea Lemon. Oh, there's peach pa nga, oh. Zero sugar yan. Ayoko kasi. Give me root beer. This one I wanna try. Zero sugar.
That might want to try the ginger beer.
Yeah, yun nga. Nakita ko nga eh. Then for that, this one. Ginger ale. Mahilig kasi sa ginger ale si Dad. Okay. How about you? Pero soda eh.
Yeah,
Hindi ka na sa soda eh.
The freezer. Or the refrigerator.
Those are not drinks. This one. These are all. Oh, look at this one. Organic banana flavored milk. There's only one left, so siguro masarap tong chocolate na to. Let's try this one. You wanna try strawberry or banana?
Okay, strawberry.
Okay. Feeling ko masarap yung chocolate kaya isa na lang. May mga chocolates. Here pa yung biscuits. I just bought yung biscuits sa yung Dance. Ano ba yun?
Oh yeah, the dance. Royal. What is it? Royal biscuit.
Choco crepes. Crispy.
Yeah, this coffee.
They do. 310. Same lang ata yun nung nasa grocery. These are all oats cereals. Cornflakes. Here are chocolates. Naku. Cute. It has my name. It's $299. Goodbye, Ruby. Oh, we can try this one. Sea salt almonds. I want to try this. It's the blueberry sea salt caramels, cherries, English toffee caramels. How about here? Quinoa crunch. What are those? No. At the bottom. Yeah. Rock candies.
Beans. Special beans.
There are the rock candies. So, there. This one. Di ba meron yan sa, ano ba yung candy corner ba yan? Yung Winnie by, grams. That's 209. Each canister. About the mints. Hindi lang ako makaget over dun sa 245 na yun. These are all quinoa, pasta.
Remember the seaweed or salmon from Starbucks.
The mashed potatoes. $220. Ano gagawin dito? Paano siya gagawin? Parang gusto ko to i-try. Itong mashed potato na to. Let's try this one. So we're thinking of buying Dad roasted herbal tea. So this one. Vegan. And then caffeine free pa. Parang hindi na nagko-coffee si Dad. Let's try this one. We find these okay or yummy, then we can go back and buy again, right? I don't have. Put it there.
June 9 yung expiry date.
June
9.
Okay. Put it there. Put it back na lang there. Okay, done. Okay, so where do we go after here? Huh? Go, go, go! We will be parked there. so hot. It's now 1:58 p.m. So magto 2 o'clock na. And it's time to go home. Saan ba tayo dito? Tama dito?
Yeah. They replace Metro siguro. Possibly. There's a slot.
Okay ko dito. Thank you po.
Two-way. Why is there a truck blocking?
Tayo adjust. Ngayon, saan ako ngayon?
Your Carlos Peters here, right there. That's where that is. There it goes.
Dito gaganda pa.
I know, no, not here.
Ba't ganun dito? Tapos saan ba yun?
Here. There's no other way. We'll go to Commonwealth if we go straight.
There's no other way. Okay guys, we're still along Katipunan. Siguro mga 3 o'clock na kami nito makakauwi. Kahit pala walang pasok ang mga schools sa Katipunan, traffic pa rin. Doesn't change. Yun. So, nagawa naman namin lahat ng dapat gawin. Like, nakapag-lunch kami, nakapag-haircut si Stan, tapos nakapag-healthy options kami. Yun. Meron lang siyang kaninang ina-ask if we can visit daw yung Lego store. Kaya lang sabi ko, ano na, 2 na. Baka, hindi pa kasi na-on yung aircon for Dior. So, baka mainit na dun sa house. Kaya sabi ko sa Saturday na lang siya mag-check ng Lego. Sa Saturday kasi baka not yet sure, hindi pa rin naman nakakapag-book si Dad ng slot for plan kasi namin mag-sports, volleyball, basketball and ano ba yung badminton. So baka mag-sports kami sa Saturday, although hindi pa sure. Pag siguro tomorrow mag-book na kami kapag sure na. And then after nun siguro baka pwede namin i-check yung gustong ma-check ni Stan na Lego. Kasi kung Marikina, malapit dito. So kung Marikina kasi yung sports center na pinupuntahan namin, every time na we want to practice, every time na we want to parang parang exercise, ganyan, doon kami nagpupunta. Lang doon, parang 500 per hour yung rent nung buong na yon, buong gym na yon, just for ourselves. Kailangan lang mag-book ka. So we usually book 2 hours, so that's 1,000 pesos lang na privately kami yung gumagamit. So minsan kasama namin yung mga tita ko, yung family ng tita ko. Pero this time, hindi ko lang alam kung kasama sila or kami lang. Kasi nga uncertain pa. Parang napag-usapan lang yun kahapon. Napag-usapan lang siya kahapon. Kaya wala pang sure na plan. Okay, so, nakapag-park na kami. And we're now going to our house. Hindi umulan ngayon, no? Actually, kung umulan, pwede pa tayong magstay eh. Pwede pa tayong, parang okay lang sa akin na i-check mo yung Lego na sinasabi mo. Kung umuulan, kaso hindi eh. So malamang mainit na si Dior. Okay, 2:36 ngayon. So parang 30 minutes lang yung travel namin pa uwi. Yeah. Hello. Hello, Yor. Wait for mommy. So yan guys, we're already home and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye! Bye Dior! Bye Stan!